The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB GDDR7 OC Edition promises impressive performance for gamers. But before you make a decision, you should know why 8GB of VRAM might not be enough in 2025. Stay tuned to find out more. The ASUS Dual RTX 5060 Ti OC Edition features a clean, sleek design. Its black housing and dual axial tech fans ensure efficient cooling, while the 2.5 slot build offers broad compatibility with various cases. But does this card feel as premium as its competitors? One standout feature is the 0 decibel technology, which completely stops the fans when idle, resulting in near-silent operation. The dual BIOS lets users switch between performance and quiet modes based on their needs. Compared to the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti 8G Gaming Trio OC, the ASUS Dual version is more compact, making it ideal for smaller builds. While both cards deliver similar performance, the ASUS stands out with better cooling and quieter operation. Priced at around $379, this card sits in the mid-range segment and offers great value for gamers looking to play at 1080p or 1440p. If you're looking for a powerful yet compact graphics card, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB GDDR7 OC Edition is definitely worth considering. Check out the Amazon link in the video description for the latest deals. Gaming test. So how does it perform in gaming? At 1080p, the RTX 5060 Ti delivers impressive frame rates, even in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Doom: The Dark Ages. Technology helps boost performance while maintaining image quality. At 1440p, the card still performs well, though some games like Hogwarts Legacy may dip below 60 FPS. At 2160p, the card starts to reach its limits, especially in titles that heavily utilize VRAM. If you enjoyed this test and want to learn more about the latest graphics cards, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and benchmarks. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB GDDR7 OC Edition is a solid choice for gamers focused on 1080p or 1440p gameplay, but keep in mind that 8GB of VRAM may not be enough for future titles. You might want to consider stepping up to the 16GB version. Don't forget to check the Amazon link in the video description. Like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel.